In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an editable HTML table on a Mailchimp email template. Whether you're managing a newsletter, creating a product catalog, or simply organizing information in a visually appealing way, tables can be an incredibly useful tool in your email templates. However, designing and editing tables in Mailchimp can feel a little tricky if you're not familiar with HTML. Don't worry though, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional and editable table that you can customize to suit your needs. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Mailchimp and navigate to the email template section. This is where all your templates are housed and where we'll begin creating the foundation for our table. Once you're there, select the Classic Builder. The Classic Builder gives you the flexibility to work with both a visual editor and raw HTML, which is exactly what we need for this process. Now, within the Classic Builder, drag and drop a text block into the section of your email where you want the table to appear. This might be within the body of the email, a specific column, or anywhere else that makes sense for your design. Once you've placed the text block, click on the source icon. This icon is usually represented by a code or angle bracket symbol, and it allows you to access the HTML editor for that specific block. This is where the magic happens. When the source editor opens, you might notice some default text or code already present. Go ahead and remove all of the existing text. You want this space to be completely clear before we move forward. Now, take the provided HTML code for your table and paste it into the source editor. This code will serve as the structure for your table, so make sure it's formatted correctly. Once you've pasted it in, click Save to apply the changes. At this point, you should see your table displayed within the email template. From here, it's time to make the table your own. To adjust the font size, you'll need to modify the font size value in the HTML code. For example, if the text looks too large, you can change the value from 16px to something smaller, like 14px. Just make sure to preview your changes to ensure the text remains legible. Next, you can customize the table header's background color to match your branding or design preferences. To do this, locate the background color property within the HTML and change the existing color value to your desired color code. Similarly, you can modify the text color by adjusting the color property within the table's HTML. This is a great way to make your table visually cohesive with the rest of your email's design. If you need to edit the table's content, you can do this directly in the visual editor. Simply click on the cells you want to update and type in the new data. This step is particularly helpful for quick edits without diving back into the code. However, if you want to delete or add rows, you'll need to go back into the source editor. To delete a row, locate the place track tags for the row you want to remove and delete them. If you want to add a row, copy an existing block, everything from to A, and paste it where you want the new row to appear. Then edit the content inside the tags to reflect the new data. Once you've made all your adjustments, it's important to preview your table. Mailchimp allows you to preview your design in both desktop and mobile modes, so take advantage of this feature to ensure your table looks great on all devices. Responsiveness is key, especially since so many people read emails on their phones these days. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, save and close the template. And that's it. You've successfully created an editable HTML table in your Mailchimp email template. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.